Let me ask you, are you waiting for the perfect home to hit the market? Here's why that might cost you in the long run. There is no perfect home. Unless you build it from ground up, there's always going to be something you wouldn't want to have picked out or something that you would want to change. And while you keep searching for that ideal home, you're going to overlook a lot of great options that would actually work for you. So here's my advice. Focus on finding a home with potential. Look past the small things that you can change. If it's the right bones and if it's a good house in a good location, it's worth a look. As your agent, I can help you see the potential in homes that might need a little TLC. And once you've picked up the one that's going to work for you, I'll even connect you with the local pros who can tackle these projects for you. Don't let the myth of the perfect home hold you back. Let's connect today and find you the perfect home in this market. Thank you for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.